How are you? I am absolutely fine. What about you? I am also fine. What is your name? My name is Pinky. What is your name? My name is Rahman. Pinky, do you speak English? Rahman, yes, I know how to speak English. Pinky, that's great. Rahman, yes, thank you. Rahman, what is your country and city name? Pinky, my country name is Pakistan and my city name is Karachi. Pinky, what is your country name and city name? Rahman, my country name is Pakistan and my city name is Lahore. Pinky, in which standard are you in? Rahman, I am in ninth standard. Rahman, in which standard are you in? Pinky, I am in 10th standard. Rahman, nice to meet you. Pinky, nice to meet you too. Pinky, meet next time. Tell goodbye. Rahman, okay, thank you. Goodbye.